In this tutorial for faculty, you'll learn how to find and request videos in Kanopy, a library database of streaming videos, documentaries, and feature films. You'll also learn how to check expiration dates for films and embed videos into your course. From the library's homepage, click on the Databases tab. You can access library databases alphabetically, by subject, or by entering the name of the database you want to use in the search box. On the Kanopy homepage, use the search bar to find films on your topic. You can search by a specific title, director, subject, or click Browse to browse films by subjects. NIU Libraries does not have access to all films available in Kanopy. However, faculty may request films for use as mandatory class assignments by submitting the form provided. We will do our best to accommodate the request. Please allow up to 48 hours for approval and activation. Click on Share in the record to get a link you can copy to your clipboard and then paste into your course or syllabus. Students will need to click Watch Now after following the link to authenticate. Films are licensed for 1 year at a time. To check access and expiration dates, go to Husky Search, the first tab on the library's homepage, and search for the film title. In the record, look under View Online for the expiration date. Note that some films that are expired may still show up in Husky Search, so check the dates closely and re-request a film if you need it again. For information about finding and requesting films available in Swank, view the Swank tutorial. For additional help, use the Chat with the Librarian service on the library's homepage to connect with the librarian during our virtual reference hours.